What's up guys, I'm Ben from AuthenTech, and today we're back doing a follow-up video on the new ANAFI drone from Parrot. So of course, if you missed my first video, make sure you go back and check it out later. I want to do a bit more in-depth testing on the new ANAFI, its camera, and especially their new Free Flight 6 app that they just released. One thing to remember, this is beta software that I'm using. I received the quad before public release, so finishing touches are still being applied. Now let's go fly. No one here, let's do some test flights. Now their Free Flight 6 app, they say it has a new modernized interface, and I agree. It is user-friendly and it's intuitive. I like how you can quick and fast customize your controls and settings. Now first up under smart dronies, there's Dolly Zoom. It's creating that cool vertigo effect as the drone pulls back but zooms in at the same time. The idea is to keep your subject the same size while the background zooms in and out to create a very cool and unique perspective. I think this one's one of my favorites. Boomerang moves the ANAFI drone from front to back, maintaining you at the center. Tornado spirals the drone from bottom to top, keeping you in the center of the video at all times. Orbit mode spins the ANAFI drone horizontally around you. Parabola flies the drone from your front to the back, following a bow-like trajectory. Under cine shots, here's a few more ways to create some easy and automatic cinematic looking footage. 360 degrees, this one rotates the drone around, capturing your surroundings in one smooth video shot. Reveal, ANAFI moves forward, filming the ground while gradually lifting its camera to reveal the landscape on the horizon. Epic, ANAFI gradually flies away at a distance of 60 meters, putting the landscape into perspective. Rise, ANAFI rises with the camera facing the ground and gradually turning towards the horizon, then ending with a panorama revealing the backdrop. Under standard mode, there's plenty of different resolutions and frame rates available. Slow motion mode is an automatic recording with on-the-spot slow motion results. Basically, it's automatically slowing down the footage for you to share while on the field. Under hyperlapse mode, that's where it accelerates the video for you, so capturing a sunset or clouds passing by. Under cinema mode, that records full 4K resolution at 4096 by 2160 with a 17:9 aspect ratio. This is a must-have for professionals in film and video production. I also like to turn on P-Log here for more advanced color grading in post. High frame rate mode for those higher frame rates, and then you slow down in post. There's two photo modes, single for single shots in JPEG or Adobe DNG RAW. Timer mode counts down and then takes the shot. You can determine the seconds countdown under settings. Cameraman, now this is a framing assistant allowing you to automatically frame your subject while you maintain control of the ANAFI drone's movements. This one is one of my favorites. It keeps me or whatever subject I'm shooting center of frame while I can focus on flying the drone, rotating around or rising up, coming down. Now follow me mode is even more advanced. It's using visual tracking plus GPS, so it's always making sure you're at the heart of the action. They say with its visual recognition technology paired with the position of your smartphone, ANAFI can film you horizontally and vertically without you having to touch the controls. So basically it's not only keeping you center of frame, but it's also locked onto your position while trying to keep that same distance the whole time as you move. It's very cool. Touch and fly, you can explore your surroundings without even piloting your drone. You simply point to the positions on your screen and it'll auto fly there. I could see this one being really good for hyperlapse. Under flight plan, you can plan your flight routes on the map and then sit back and enjoy as the drone takes off for an automatic flight. POI, or point of interest, you basically set points on the map and then it can fly around those points. There is smart return to home feature, which is really nice. So if the drone ever loses connection or the battery life is low, it'll automatically return to your current location. It also is calculating the duration of the return journey, so it should always come back in time. This is nice. This is a really great way to see some test footage as well. It shows off how the gimbal and the electronic image stabilization works, both in manual flying and in those automatic smart modes. And there you have it, some in-depth testing of the ANAFI drone, its smart flying modes and camera performance. I've been flying every day now for almost a week, and I'm still quite impressed. I really like how fast and easy it is to unfold and get in the air flying right away. I'm liking the camera quality more and more as I find its best settings. I'm actually really digging that zoom feature, and I think it's a bigger deal than I originally thought. I captured this fun little sample cinematic sequence, and now having that extra reach of camera zoom, it sort of opens up a whole other level of creative shots. Now stay tuned and ring the bell, because I'm really excited for my next video where I'll be comparing side by side this ANAFI versus the DJI Mavic Air, which is pretty close in price range. I'm really intrigued with how their cameras stack up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, let's live AuthenTech.